Welcome to AI Wealth Lab, the channel where I show you how to use artificial intelligence to build real income online. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we drop new videos every single week. Now, I want to be upfront with you. These tools are not magic. You still need to put in some work. But compared to anything else out there, the earning potential is genuinely insane for the effort required. Tool number 1. And yes, you've probably heard of it, is ChatGPT. But I'm not talking about just using it to answer questions. I'm talking about using it as a money-making machine. Here's the thing most people don't know. Businesses are paying between $50 and $500 for simple things like writing product descriptions, email newsletters, social media captions, and blog posts. And with ChatGPT, you can produce that content in under 5 minutes. You go to a freelancing platform, you find a client who needs content, you use ChatGPT to write it, you review it, clean it up a little, and you get paid. One person I know personally was making $800 a week just doing this part-time. No writing degree, no experience. Just ChatGPT and a free account on a freelancing site. Tool number 2 is Canva, but specifically its AI features. Canva now has built-in AI that can generate images, write text, and create entire designs from a simple description. You create digital products like social media templates and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. You create the design once, and it sells over and over again. Some sellers are making $2,000 to $5,000 a month just selling Canva templates. Tool number 3 is ElevenLabs. This is an AI voice generator, and it sounds incredibly realistic. There is a massive demand for voiceover work. With ElevenLabs, you can generate professional quality voiceovers in seconds and sell this service to clients, or use it to run your own faceless YouTube channel exactly like I'm doing right now. Voiceover work can pay $50 to $300 per project. Tool number 4 is Notion AI. People are selling Notion templates for $10 to $200 each. You build a template once and sell it unlimited times. No inventory, no shipping. Pure digital profit. One creator built 3 templates in a weekend and now makes $1,500 a month in passive income. And here it is, tool number 5, the one I said would surprise you. It's called Claude, made by a company called Anthropic. Claude is an AI assistant similar to ChatGPT, but many experts say it's actually better for business tasks. Most people are still only using ChatGPT. If you master Claude right now, you are ahead of 95% of people trying to make money with AI. Use Claude to write business proposals, consulting reports, market research, and charge $200 to $1,000 per project. All right, so there you have it. 5 completely free AI tools that you can start using today to make real money online. Let me do a quick recap. Number 1, ChatGPT for freelance writing and content creation. Number 2, Canva AI for selling digital templates. Number 3, ElevenLabs for voiceover services. Number 4, Notion AI for passive income through templates. And number 5, Claude AI for premium business services. Now, here's my challenge to you. Pick just one of these tools, not all 5, just one. Spend the next 3 days learning it and trying to make your first dollar. That's it. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and allows me to keep making free content like this for you. And if you want to see more videos about making money with AI, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. In my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first $100 online using ChatGPT, step by step, from zero. You don't want to miss that one. I'll see you there.